Hey guys, today we are going to be doing our chores in our pajamas.
Well, I'm sick. COVID.
I'm still in my pajamas anyway.
And I'm quarantined, and Shaw's also quarantined with me.
Sadly, she's annoying. No offense.
And I'm just doing my chores because I don't want to be stuck on my phone all day.
Yeah, right now she's mopping. I'm organizing.
With the Swifter.
Yeah, she's using a Swifter because we've got dog hair and her sister's allergic to dogs. And my phone just fell. Sorry guys, my phone fell. I'm going to organize this fridge for y'all.
Shaw, you don't have to organize the fridge.
Yes, and it's, you see how messy it is? Mom can keep it organized.
Shiloh, you can.
Yes, I can. I've organized it before, thank you.
For your TikTok. Oh, guys, I have a new TikTok account. Go check it out. Follow me.
You have to tell that to them.
And, I'll accept your thing because my account's private. So.
Don't you dare touch my phone.
So, I really want some followers, though.
I'm not following her. I'm not following
I make a bunch of videos, daily.
She does. But I don't follow her.
You don't? Well, you need to.
Huh?
You need to.
Why?
Because you do.
It's not my responsibility to, though. What the heck is this?
I don't know. Ask Mom.
Just keeping it up here in the fridge.
Zara is absolutely terrified of the Swifter.
He is. He hates it. That dog hates the Swifter. And he hates the vacuum. And we got some Bob Evans mashed potatoes. Yummies. Mashed potatoes. You can go right here. That's true.
Okay. We're done Swifting.
I'm organizing. This is Shiloh when she organizes. She has to organize.
Super dirty. Look at this, guys. Super dirty.
Shiloh always
And
has.
go get your Swifter.
Go get a Swifter.
Go get a Swifter. It's really
I always have. Every time I organize the kitchen, I gotta organize the fridge.
Every time I do the kitchen, it's always I have to use the Swifter.
Yeah, another living room.
I love using the Swifter. It's just so cool.
It is. Oh, really, Mom? Taco Bell. Really? All right, apple juice can go over here with the milk. Daisy, would you get out of here? When we are trying to...
I have a YouTube channel, guys, but I can't get my first video posted.
Her first video hates her.
Yeah, it's not uploading.
It hates her.
But I have a better phone than Shadow's.
Yeah. But mine...
iPhone 11.
But mine actually uploads videos. She just left me when upstairs. That was mean. She went upstairs and left me. Well, we have to go through this fridge. It is a mess. I barbecue sauce. Sweet sauce.